Come close, come close. Okay, good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning. Okay, I hope you are doing fine. I'm going to take the roll call. Sharon. Present. Matthias.
Present.
Stella. Present. Caroline. Okay, who can remind us what we did last time about playing table accessories? Celestine? Okay, we learned about the Stella? Something else? Okay, we have the playing table, we have the compass, we have the U-fob. And today we are going to mount the drawing paper on the playing table, sight the target using early date, orient the table to align the target rays, and the last one we are going to plot the points on the drawing paper. That's what we are doing for today. And from there I'm going to call my colleagues so that we can work together.
Okay, good morning. I'm Matthias Kibet, and I'm going to take you through the remaining part. And from what we have here, we need to start from where is your document? I was saying, today we want to operate a plane table. And the way we are going to operate a plane table, the first thing we need to mount a drawing paper over the plane table. As you can see, this is our drawing paper. Put together.
Yes.
So we are going to mount our drawing paper here. The reason why we are mounting our paper here, because all tasks will be done in the field. There is no other task that is going to be done in the office, for example. So the moment you are done with this one, that is it. It is the final result. So we are going to mount this one, the drawing paper. Then we are going to sight a target. When you talk about a target, it's actually the point that you want to locate or to put on the paper. And we are going to sight using what we call an early date. So this is an early date. So this is what we are going to use to sight and a target. And our target here, we are going to use the reticle. So this one is an early date. Are you together? We are going to learn how to use an early date. For now, you can just have a look. Are you together? Yes. Then this is where we are going to locate our target. Are you together? When you talk about the target, it's a point that you want to put on a what? On a drawing paper. Then that point we are going to align. When you talk about aligning, after focusing or bisecting a target, we align using a ray. Are you together? Then after aligning the same and orienting the plane table, we need to plot the what? The point on the drawing paper. And we are going to do it. Are you together? Yes. So let's start by doing what? By mounting our drawing paper.
Can you come closer, please, so that
So when mounting a drawing paper, you make sure that it's at a middle. Are we together? So you can help me. Make sure that it's at a middle. We're mounting the drawing paper at the middle. I hope all of us are seeing, eh? What are they doing? They're mounting. Yes. So we are mounting it at the middle. Are we together? So after mounting it at the middle, so we need now to know how to use what? An alley date to sight a target. Are we together? So this is the alley date. So when you look at this alley date, it's actually is like a ruler. So it serves two purposes. It's a straight and slipped edge, and it has some what? Calibrations. And then at this point we have what? We have the sighting points. Huh? So you'll be in a position to sight from this end and bisect a target at the middle string. This is string. Yes. So what you'll be doing, you'll be just placing at this one, you'll be viewing or sighting from this side, and then doing what? Bisecting a target of which we are going to place what? A ranging range. Are we together? So I want you to have a look at it and perhaps sight. Can you have a look?
Can you have a look?
What is the name of this?
That is what we call alley date. Yeah. For sighting. Kosawa. Good. So this one we are going to sight what? A target. Then before you start anything, we have what we call a compass here. The compass is to trace the north direction. So when you look at this compass here, there is a point placed what? North. End. Are we together? So you put at a corner of the drawing paper like this one. And then you make sure it is what? It's pointing at the north. It's resting at what? North. So yes. You look at that? Then when it's pointing at 0, that is where the north direction is. So what you need to do, you come and draw what? A line, and then you say what? North. Are we together?
Mm-hmm.
So after this one, I'll be giving you a new drawing paper. You do it. Are we together? So you just indicate what? North. Then we have a point here. Can you look at the ground? We have a point. So this is where we are starting. And when you talk about starting here, you should place a point wherever you see the other points that you want to transfer. As you can use, I told you about what? You need to have what? Some points bringing here. So which points are those? It's the points that we are going to be seeing at this point. Right together. So for us to make sure that this point is, we transfer this point to the paper, we use what we call the plumb bob. Right together. This is what we call a plumb bob and a U-fork. Right together. So what you do, we want to bring this point on the ground to the paper. So this is what you do. Right together. Let's say for example, we want to bring this point to the paper. Is that okay? So after doing that one, just put a point here. We give a name what? Oh, right together. So we'll be starting from this point. I told you inside 3. Together. So now you want to align the plane table to the target. So let's use 2 points that we are supposed to bring here. Together. You can choose any point here. So after doing that one, you just remove the U-fork because you transferred the point on the ground to the paper. Are we together? Then you use what? You use your alley date like this. You see what I'm doing? This point should not exceed. Are we together? Or if you are using the other side, use like this one, you make a red. Are we together? So like this, for example, hand here, hand here, hand here. So this is what I'm doing. I'm trying to bisect what? The point. Are we together? And then we measure the distance, because when you are transferring the point from there to the drawing paper, you are using a scale. Very good. So when I view from this end, I'll be bisecting the residual through what? The string. So what I do, okay, So I'll just use a pen. Are you together? I'll call it what? A, and then I'll call it what? A1. Are you together? Okay, can you put a peg there? Can you choose another point in this direction? So what are we supposed to do here? We hold on the starting point here. Then you bisect what? You bisect the same what? Are you together? Okay, so another person to hold it for me will be fun, that point. Then what I'm doing here is what? I'm trying to bisect what? The ranging road, but that is our quality what? The target, Good. Can you make a faint line? Okay, so that is it. So we can call it what? D. Are you together? So those 2 points, we want to bring those 2 points to what? The drawing paper. So we need to use what? A scale. Can you put a peg there? Then we have the measuring. We will use what? We will use a leveling staff. Measure the distance from where we are to the point. And then we use the scale. What is the height of what is the length? 4 meters.
This one is 4. Press.
Naweka isema.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you measure the distance?
Chris.
4.6.
So you can take 4.6 what? Meters. That is it. That is the measurement of the ground. So can you measure the other one? The distance of this one? That is 5.5. So that is on the what? 5.5. What have we done? We've taken the distance on the ground for the what? What? And then now we come and use what? The scale. Which is the best scale you can use? So we decide here. So 10 for example. In that when we have 4.6, we can work what? 4.6 what? Centimeters. Put together. Then the other one will be what? 5.5. So we use the same. This one is as calibrated. So can we measure? This one is a bit large, yeah? Good. So we can start here from 0. Then where is 4.5? It's around down here. Put it, and then the other one is what? 5.5. So 5.5 is here. Around there, see here?
Yes.
Then we join the 2 points now. So this one is going to be what? A prime, B prime. So what we've done, we've transferred the points on the ground to the paper. Are you together?
Yeah.
But for our case here, we are using what? The 2 points. But I'm going to give you an assignment for adding the points and not changing the instrument station. Are we together? So before we dismantle this one and you do it, is there anyone who needs some clarification with the set? Anyone who needs some clarification? Silence means all okay. Are we together? So I want let's dismantle this one. Then I'll be giving each group less than 2 minutes.